Go in, you naughty cheese. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. This is pizza sauce, friends. I'm putting it. And I put it here. And I spread it. Yeah. Now we will put veggies. One veggie. Okay, now I'll put that. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, my favorite capsicum. We'll put mozzarella cheese. Earlier we were putting normal cheese. I like cheese and pizza, so I'm putting a lot of cheese. Put all the veggies on top of this cheese, on top of this mozzarella cheese. Yeah. Why is only capsicum coming in my hand? Yeah, now it's not capsicum. Sprinkle. Hey. I will sprinkle seasoning. My overloaded pizza is going to the oven to get cooked. 1, 2. Pizza is ready, friends.